Hi, I'm Tracy Hauppa-Kenyeri. I'm the CEO of Kenyeri Engineering and Manufacturing that I co-own with my husband, Ron. And our business does a couple of different things. We're involved in the work holding industry where we sell chucks and machine parts as well for those types of applications. And then we also design and build electrical control panels that can be used for various automation applications. Sometimes those panels go on turnkey systems that we also design. So we've been members of the TMA for many years, and we maintain our membership because we do enjoy being part of it. We get a lot out of it. One thing in particular is the networking opportunities. So we enjoy participating in the factory tour, lunch and learns that take place at different manufacturing facilities throughout the Chicagoland and Northern Illinois area. It helps us get to know them better and to understand the best practices of a successful manufacturer. But then also during that lunchtime, we get to meet all those people that come to the tour, and they get to know me better as the face of Kenyeri Engineering, but then I get to know them as well. And it becomes a great way to have a personal touch to understand who's out there. That's part of the membership. Related to networking, we enjoy being part of the email blast that another part of the TMA sends out regularly. That is everything from requesting information about services or supplier recommendations, and then also if someone needs a job done, people reach out through that list. And so that's a time when we can be helpful to other membership. If there's a supplier that we can recommend or a service that has worked well for us, we're happy to give that information. And then there's other times, sometimes our projects become quite complex and there is a service that we don't offer within the whole scope of the project. So that list with the TMA gives me a trusted place to reach out to understand who are these other manufacturers that are in Northern Illinois that have these different competencies. And I generally get quite a few answers within the first hour or two. And many of those are meaningful contacts that I can get a quote from and keep my project moving. So we really enjoy that resource. Another thing that TMA has helped us understand is that IMEC is available to us, the Illinois Manufacturer Excellence Center. That offers training resources, and while we haven't had the opportunity to make that fit into our schedule yet, it's absolutely something in our back pocket, particularly as we envision our progress through the end of this pandemic, resources we can reach out to keep our employees competent and have an edge for whatever type of projects we want to get into going forward. We really appreciated the resources that TMA made available to us on the spot when the pandemic became more obvious that it was a real threat, and then we began to have lockdown situations within our own state and other places as well. And the TMA was there for us, organizing resources. They had various webinars that we could listen to with different types of experts, be they legal or health, safety, those types of things. And then they made a packet of documentation available to us as well that we could post on our wall and remain legal and also take consideration of our workers in addition to preserving the integrity of our own business during this challenging time. And so if we weren't members of the TMA, I would have been scrambling to find that information. I probably would have had to pay a lot more for it, and here it was available to me as a TMA member.